Okay guys, welcome back. This isn't something I normally do. As you know, I'm Old Time Garage, vehicle restoration. I'll build you a hot rod. Anyway, but the one thing I've always done is I've always spoke my mind. If you go on my videos, I've done rants where I've bitched about things, and I've done raves where I brag about things. I did a video yesterday and it was showing the truckers that were passing through Fraser Valley through Chilliwack where I live. And a lot of people didn't know about this. They were like, what the hell? We haven't heard anything on the news about this. And if we did hear anything on the news, it said that these truckers were just doing something for road conditions, which is true. There was a group of truckers that got together for road conditions. But the main thing they aren't telling you on the news, but they are now, but they're only showing you maybe 3 or 4 minutes of it because hell, they don't want to show you all of it. These truckers are going to Ottawa. Now someone had pointed out, hey, I watched your video, and I guess he took his time to watch it carefully because he said, I only saw 64 trucks in your video, semis. Big deal. You're right, there probably was 64 semis along with probably another 50, 60 cars. Not all these truckers are taking their semis. They need to have cars that people have to run and get stuff, so they took cars, they took vans, they took motorhomes. There was even motorcycles on it. Go back and watch it, there was. That's our beginning of our thing coming up through Delta there. Now our guys tonight are in Regina. They should be rolling in any time. There was rumors there was going to be 150,000 people show up in Ottawa on the 29th. It has now changed. Again, I don't know. I do not follow the news. I go on live feed. Live feed I see on Facebook. I don't even follow what people write on Facebook because I don't know if it's true. And if I do follow it, I will tell you I don't know whether it's true or not, just like I'm telling you right now. I watch live feed, but what I've seen on one of the live feed videos was someone was saying, because they're picking up people as they go along, and there's already, if you go on these videos, which I'm going to put the links to on the bottom of this page, if you go on there, there's already thousands of trucks waiting, already back there. Thousands of them waiting. I'm not bullshitting, you can look it up, I'll show you the links. They're claiming now there's going to be not 150,000, but 500,000 people in Ottawa. And 150,000 vehicles. And a lot of those are semis. There's also been claims now, the Americans, which a lot of them wrote into my YouTube page, and I see it, a lot of them are heading up now too. They're coming up, so they say. They're coming out of Kentucky, North Carolina, Tennessee. They're coming down. And they're going to come to the borders, and if they don't let them across, they're going to sit at the borders there, so they say. I saw a video, where was it now? Oh God, maybe it was Tennessee. I did see, I can't remember all this right now. I did see a video, it's on there, if we look it up, like I said, I'll try and put the links in the end here. Now they did a video from a long shot, but all I saw were semis. And I definitely saw more than 50 or 100. They said there were 600 semis ready to go to cross the border. Right now, and they were leaving tomorrow morning to come across, and they said if they won't let them across, they'll sit at the borders. Some of you might be saying, hey, what's the whole purpose of this? What are they doing this for? They're ruining it. I can't get food, I can't get parts, I can't get nothing. Somebody has to stand up for our rights. This is enough. Enough is enough. COVID came along, and I do believe in COVID. It came along, and I think it's way worse than the flu. It came along, get your shots, do your thing, do whatever you want to do. Okay, it's fine and dandy, but now it's out of control. All the mandates and the bullshit they're putting through. You can't cross the border without this. You can't come across unless you get a double check here and a check there and more of this and more of that. Oh my God. It's getting out of control now. Completely out of control. You can't go into a store without a pass. You can't go into a restaurant without this. But yet I can't go to a restaurant, but I can go sit at McDonald's with 100 people around me, but I can't go to my normal neighborhood restaurant that only holds 50 people and sit there. But yet what they're doing in the hospitals right now, and if you don't believe me, this is 100% true. COVID patients in the hospitals now are put in with the regular patients. My wife can have COVID and I can lie next to her tonight in bed with knowing she's tested positive for COVID, and before I'd have to lock myself down for 2 weeks, and this is a fact, and I will argue this all day long because I have people that work in the hospital that'll tell you this, and it is out there, it'll tell you. I can lay in bed tonight with my wife who tested positive for COVID, and I can still get up tomorrow morning and go to work, as long as I don't test positive. Doesn't make sense, because 2 years ago you couldn't do nothing. Anyway, we're not going to go off on that. I'm supporting the truckers. I'm 100% with them. I'm glad they're doing this. The Americans are getting involved. Our truckers went through Medicine Hat today, and guess what happened in Medicine Hat? The police made sure they got safely through and made sure the roads were clear for them. Now, they could have been doing it just to get them out the door, or they could have been doing it, you know, because they're on their side. Either way, they didn't cause a ruckus. That's a good thing, okay? I don't know what's going on. I hear there's 3.8 million on the GoFundMe page. That's right. Way to go. I'm sure they've got some other money coming in some other places too. Maybe I'm wrong, but I did hear rumor there was other money there. Again, rumor. And I told you what I thought about the word rumor. That means I don't know whether it's true or not. I also heard rumor that our fine leader, whoever likes him, again, is going to go away on holidays. He doesn't even know why they're coming down there. He says, I don't know why they're coming down here. 80% of them have got the shot, so what are they going to do? Just sit out here and park out here and waste their time? I'm going to go on holidays. So he says, or so I've heard. I don't know. I've heard he's going to go to India. I don't see that. I heard he's going to go to Costa Rica, and I've heard he's going to go over to Tofino. Who knows? But I do know that usually when some shit goes down, he does disappear. We know that. He tried to shut the GoFundMe page down, apparently, and he was going to call in the army because he said these truckers are terrorists. That's what he said. He said they're terrorists. Okay. I don't see what they're doing so wrong. I don't call it a terrorist act, but I know that probably this video is going to get people that are going to argue with me and say, hey, and whatever. You're allowed your opinion. I'm not disagreeing that. I'm allowed my opinion. Why can't we all be friends? Everyone can have an opinion, right? I mean, you have to remember who our leader is. He said that anyone that doesn't have the shot is a racist. He also used the word, I'm not going to be able to pronounce this right, misogynistic. I don't know, I probably haven't pronounced it right, but I did look it up and that means hates women. He said that on live TV and you can look that up all day long. Who is he to call me a racist? If I did that to him, what would happen? Yeah, but we'll let that go because it's always a good time here at Old Time, right? So anyway, that's what's going on. This is live. This is real, people. Somebody said, oh, there's probably only, somebody wrote in and said, there's only going to be 100 trucks in Ottawa. Only 100 trucks. I don't know where you're getting your information from, buddy, because you better watch the links. There's way more than 100 trucks. So, hey, I support the truckers. We're going to throw some links out there for the truckers so you people can see what's going on. Rather than turning on the news, shut that shit off and find these links and watch it, because that's the real deal. Okay, I'll try and keep you guys posted on what's going on once in a while. Like I say, I'm a car building guy. My videos are about building cars, but I do believe in what they're doing and I stand up for them. And wouldn't it be nice if all of us could do something? Us people that can't leave home, that got a wife, family, kids, we got to take care of it. Wouldn't it be nice if we could do something? If we owned a business, or even if the businesses were out there watching this video, maybe you guys can help get the word spread out here. Maybe we could help them. Maybe on the 29th, we all know how gyms, restaurants, pubs, bars, everything, they got to check your Vax Pass to get you in. You got to wear your mask till you sit at your table or whatever you're doing, or till you're working out in your treadmill. Wouldn't it be nice if just for that one day, so we could show the truckers how much we appreciate what they're doing for us, we could show them that for one day, everyone just say, if you want to wear a mask to come in, that's fine. But we don't need to see your Vax Pass. Just come on in. Come on in on the 29th. Come on in, sit down, have a meal, have a drink. Just remember, people, just don't get out of hand. Don't start hooting and hollering and throwing shit around. That's when we do look like terrorists. Just be normal. You know what I'm saying? But wouldn't that be nice on the 29th if all the businesses could just jump in on board for one day only? Every gym, every pub, I can't go over it enough. Parts stores, grocery stores, everyone. You don't need to wear a mask if you don't want to. And I don't need to see your Vax Pass. That's all I got to say. I'm going to try and post some more videos on this. I'll try and find some stuff, what's going on, keep you updated. Can't do them every day. Maybe in a couple days, get back to you. That's all I got for you for now. Click onto the links down below. And hey, all you truckers out there, thank you so much